Hello pals, welcome to today's video tutorial. Today I'll be showing you guys how to create a Facebook Messenger group. Now you should notice there are two types of group on Facebook. You can have a Facebook group and you can also have a Facebook Messenger group. What Facebook Messenger does is it creates group for your contacts on your Messenger list, not on your Facebook friends list. So in order to do this, let me go ahead and open my Facebook Messenger to create our Facebook Messenger group. So go ahead and click on your Messenger, and I'm having a lot of message. And once it's open, the next thing you should do, look at the top right corner of your screen. You can notice this icon that is like a pen and a note, just after the camera anyway. So go ahead and click on that icon at the top right. So when you click on it, it's going to show you different options. Now it's going to show you option to check. It's going to show you a checkbox option right after the name of the user. So go ahead and check several friends, and when you check a friend, you are going to see the name appear at the top. So if you are selecting, remember you have the option to either remove if you made a mistake, or add up, or just leave the person. So for instance, if we made a mistake in adding this person, we could always click on this icon at the top of the image to remove them. Click on the top of the icon to remove any contact you don't want. So if you are satisfied with the contact you have, you can notice at the top, just after it says choose friend, where it says OK, go ahead and click on the OK. So when you click on the OK, the Facebook group is going to be created, and once it's created, that means you already have your friends in it. You can notice at the top it says Yasi and 3 plus 3, meaning I have like total of 4 friends here. So let's go further in changing our group name. We can just wave at the group and everybody in the group will see it. So let's come here at the top right corner again. You can notice there are several options here. So right now we want to change the group name, and let's go ahead and click on this 3-dotted icon right here. You can notice there are several things: change group photo, rename and delete conversation, leave group, ignore group. So let's go ahead and change the name. So I'm calling it the best team. Remember, this is a tutorial. At the end of this tutorial, we are going to go ahead and delete this group. So we're calling it the best team. You can give it any name you want. Go ahead and click on save, and you can notice it's changed for us. So after that, we can go ahead and add a profile image on our group, because when you notice this is the best team and it's showing different images, but that's not how groups look like. So let me go ahead and change the profile image. So you can notice this area that says change group image. Go ahead and click on the change group image, and then you could actually take a photo and upload it, or just choose a photo from your gallery. Once you click on the choose a photo, it's going to take a while to load up. Once it loads up, you can go ahead and select any thumbnail you want. So I'm going to go ahead and pick this, and then once you're done selecting it, just at the bottom right corner, click on the forward arrow that shows there. Now you can see save and discharge. So I'm going to go ahead and hit save, but let me move on to the logo so that it's going to select it fully. And if you want to maximize it, you can just click and drag. It's going to be maximized for you. So once you're done selecting, just go ahead and click on save, and it's going to save the image as a profile image. So that is how to create group and save image. So I'm going to do more things by showing you guys more features on this group. So someone else is already waving, so I could just say so he wouldn't get pissed and get angry with me later on because I never told anyone I was making video. So that is how to create a group and get to conversation and have your friends in common. So in the next video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to add more friends and how to change the group color and do some other awesome things. Stay back. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe here if you haven't done that, and please leave a comment below if you have some question or if you have some challenges, and share the videos if you did really enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe, especially subscribe.